and grow more. Friends, this will be our guiding mantra. Do more as in bigger and impactful service projects, and grow more as in increasing our membership and expanding the participation. For the last 17 plus years, our membership has been at 1.2 million. What we have not accomplished in the last 17 years, I challenge you to accomplish in 17 months. Membership to 1.3 million by 1st July 2022. How can we reach that incredible goal? The answer is, each one bring one. Ask each Rotarian to bring one member to Rotary in the next 17 months. Just one member in 17 months is all you need to ask of every Rotarian in your district. We need to grow more, to do more. Service is the rent I pay for the space I occupy on this earth. And I want to be a good tenant of this earth. I'm sure each of you also has found your opportunity to serve. They may have been small opportunities of service or large projects. More than just the size, it is the attitude that defines service. Gandhi was once getting up on a train. Even as he was getting up on the train started moving and one of his slippers fell off. Gandhi's immediate reaction was to throw his other slipper to where the previous one had fallen. His friend who was traveling with him asked him, "Why did you do that?" Gandhi said, "Someone will find that slipper. What good will be one slipper to him? So I threw the other." Friends, it was a small act of service, but I think it was a big attitude of service. Rotarians keep serving because we want to change lives. A water project in Haiti has changed the lives of more than 10 million people. Back home in India, the TEACH program of literacy and education has impacted the lives of millions of children. In the coming Rotary year, I request you, urge you, cajole you to serve people and help to change their lives. So, my dear governors, our theme for the year 2021-2022 is Serve to Change Lives. Our special focus this year will be on empowering girls. One of Rotary's core values is diversity. We have a public statement that outlines our belief in DEI. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. It is important that we empower the girl, as we all find that more often than not, the girl is disadvantaged. We will serve all children, but our focus will be specially on the girl. And for every Rotary and Rotaract club to be able to organize and engage Rotarians and Rotaractors and the public at large, we will have Rotary Days of Service. Do participate in the presidential conference closest to home, and do encourage every club to participate in a Rotary Day of Service. Ending polio, fighting COVID, working on large impactful projects and increasing our membership to a never before 1.3 million. The task ahead is challenging, and that should excite you. Rotarians love challenges. A ship is safe in the harbor, but that is not what ships are meant for. They need to go out in the high seas. At this moment, I urge you, wherever you are seated, to put your hand on your heart and pledge with me. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. So my dear change makers, together let us serve to change lives.